Good morning, class. Last lesson, we studied water habitats. Today, we leave the water and step onto land. Why are rainforest trees so tall, and why do savanna trees have thick bark? Welcome to lesson 2. Our terrestrial habitat is found on land. The major types in West Africa include the dense forest, the wide open savanna grassland, and the waterlogged marsh or swamp. The tropical rainforest has high rainfall and dense vegetation. WAEC secret: those very tall trees that grow above the main canopy are called emergence, labeled WAEC 2019. Island T, I. Decomposition is faster in the rainforest because of the abundance of water. The warm, moist environment allows for very rapid decay of organic matter. Labeled WAEC 2011. Nasi, Azei, the savanna has seasonal rainfall and common dry season fires. Trees here have thick bark specifically to resist these bushfires. Labeled WAEC 2005. Adequani, a marsh is waterlogged land with soft, muddy soil. Plants here often have shallow roots and air spaces to cope with the poor aeration. Soil determines plant distribution. Loam is best for farming because it's porous with good retention. Clay is the finest texture but can become waterlogged. WAEC trap. When studying land, we look at rainfall and wind, but remember, turbidity is only for water habitats, not terrestrial ones. Labeled WAEC 2003. To measure the wind, we use an anemometer for speed and a wind vane for direction. Air pressure is measured with a barometer labeled WAEC 2012 by WAEC. Now class, let's crack the code. WAEC has favorite traps for land habitats. Master these secrets and you've already won. Recap: thick bark means fire resistance, waterlogged soil means a marsh, and those giant trees are emergence. Don't forget them. For farming, loam is king, clay is the smallest particle, and the anemometer is your wind speed tool. Study these well. Climate controls vegetation and vegetation controls animals. Assignment: state 3 characteristics of the rainforest. See you in lesson 3. Class dismissed.